Hey guys, we're in Galaxy's Edge right now. We got David with us, and David, oh my God, is gonna be building his custom astromech unit. And we're looking at it now. It looks like these are all the different customizable options that you could make and put onto your new droid.
What do I build? Which one do I build?
I'd hate to be David right now because I'd be so indecisive with what I want. Especially if I'm about to spend $100 to make this. And just the scenery here and just how much work they put into this. So yeah, all these droid parts hanging over the roof. The ceiling, they got this conveyor belt. And it looks like right in the center is where they... Wow, parts are just coming out and they're just making their droids right there. That is so cool. So David, which one are you thinking about so far?
I think I would go with this kind. I'm not sure.
Which one?
Models. I'm not sure.
Oh.
This whole area.
Oh, that side. Okay, so we're not going to be getting the BB-8 unit today. Or the BB unit, excuse me. But we are going to get one of these bad boys. So, we got to the front now. And we're actually looking at the counter, and they have a droid package. So it's $165, and it comes with the droid itself, personality chip, looks like a different color, that another accessory that you can put on it, and it includes a little carrier bag, which one of the cast members was showing us outside. It's like a kangaroo pouch. I think that's what Ian called it. It's like a kangaroo pouch. So I don't know what David's gonna do. But we're gonna go ask some questions. So after tax today was about like 106, and then they gave us a little tray right here. So this is so cool. It comes out on this conveyor belt. You can just grab in pieces. You're really like piecing together your own droid. Interesting. Interesting, the plastic's still on it.
Yeah, just so you don't have to.
Oh, it's a two-piece. Okay. So I think on this first step of the process, we're just picking our pieces. And then once we have all of our pieces, we let a cast member know. And then we head on over to the building station where we actually assemble the droid. That is awesome. And now we're sized up another piece here. Oh, that looks cool. Is there a... Did you ever find one of the clear ones? Ooh. Oh, okay.
I think I have to go with this.
David, that's honestly really tough. Nice. Good choice, good choice. Which piece is that one? Oh, the front leg or front piece?
The middle leg, yeah.
Ah, okay.
I just go about all about.
I just don't know. I just don't know how it would look with it being like. I like the red accent though.
Yeah. Kind of go for it.
Yeah. Is that all the pieces that we need? So we got the main body, leg, front leg, the red piece, and the cap. What goes in this top piece right here? Oh, is that how it secures?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
If I do this, I could probably go black like that.
With the solid black?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. Is that one right there? Right in front of you? The cap? No?
Oh. No,
The-
I'm talking about leg.
Oh, black leg. Front. Okay.
Gotta go white body?
I think I want to see it with the leg, though. Oh, well, let's ask the audience. You want me to ask the audience? We have Ira and Ian right there. Ready? Hey, he's in between two bodies right now. He doesn't know which one he wants to get, the black body or the white body. That's option one. Black leg. Or red leg. And then show us the other one. Oh, okay. He did go with that one. All right, just good. All right. So I think. Oh, this was the front one. Oh, did you? Yeah. All right.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and follow these instructions right down there. First thing we're going to do, pass the legs here to the side of the body. You want to click it in place and screw it in here with the drill. The personality report.
Whoa.
Also controls for this. Just going to let it go forward and backwards. Now you're going to turn side to side. This button down here will make it light up the clock. And here you can move this.
It's a screwdriver. Oh, you get to customize all the colors on there?
Color number 6.
Yeah. Nice.
Right down there. First thing you want to do, grab these little coils. There we go, right here.
I like that. That's actually, I like that accent. All right, so we got both pieces on there. And what do we have left? You ready to screw it in both? Yeah, you did. So the first thing here, we got to screw on the legs.
Good here, perfect. Ready to activate it?
Yeah.
Activating.
Oh, that's so cool.
Kind of out of here and attach it right there on top. So controls for this. This is going to let it go forward and backwards. Down here is going to let it turn side to side. This one here will let it light up and talk, and up here, move the head back and forth. On-off switch is going to be right down here on the bottom, and then batteries will go here on the back. Are we going to put it in the box? Okay.
Whoa! David, what's his name?
David Jr. I gotta have a number name. I feel like that's. You guys can get these or something similar like that.
We'll think about it. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up our video for today. That's such a cool experience. We first, when Galaxy Z first opened up, we were able to build a lightsaber, and we were saving the astromech for a little later time, and now David brought that here for us today. So thank you guys for being our one extra passenger. Extra large.